Hello, everyone. Happy New Year's. I hope you guys are ready for a new year and very prosperous 2025. I'm going to keep this short. Just going to go over the markets. What we'll keep this short, okay? So that you guys can get to your festivities. All right, guys. All right, so let's go over how the market finished today. Okay, so no surprise, right? We know we have sell signals on the equity markets. Okay, so markets were down across the board today. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ was down right here. The Russell was up just a bit. Okay, VIX, look at the VIX here, guys. VIX is at 17. Okay, so getting closer to that 20 mark on the VIX. So we need to stay below 20. Right, so we need low volatility, but we do have sell signals across the board. So the S&P, right here, red candles, sell signal. The Dow, right here, red candles, sell signal. We need to break through that support right here to move lower. Okay. Hey, Betty, welcome. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Betty. The IWM, the Russell, all right, sell signal, and the NASDAQ. NASDAQ has been the only sector here, index that's still holding its buy signal. So let's take a quick look here. All right, so it's still holding its buy signal, right? White candle came in here. If we break through support here, we could get a red candle, all right? But we've got a sell signal, guys, in equity market. So a stock boss traders, bull master traders, bull master pro traders, just be careful. Okay, we'll go through equities quickly this evening, but just know we have sell signals in the equity markets. All right, we only have two sectors that are struggling to hold. Okay, so all the sectors are down. Look here, all the sectors are down except for two sectors, okay? Tech and consumer discretionary. Those are the only sectors that are really struggling to hold. Let's take a look. So tech is right here. All right, we do have a red candle here in tech, in the tech sector. So stay away from that sector unless your technology stocks holding fine on your trading window, okay, on your trading window. Consumer discretionary, we've got a white candle coming in here. Here was the buy signal here, so it's struggling to hold support. Breaks through, we could get sell signal red candles, okay? So just know, guys, overall, see right here, all right, we are struggling. So that sell signal is still intact. Okay, the dollar index, we have seen the dollar move higher. I would keep an eye on your dollar pairs. All right, on the 240, the 60-minute time frame is still struggling. All right, but on the 240, you might be able to find some opportunities. We'll go through Monster Scalper quickly. Okay. Like I said, I'll get you guys out of here. We won't spend a lot of time going through big picture and all of that. Okay, but the dollar index, all right, buy signal here, and we're looking to break through current resistance right here. Here we are right now in the futures market. Dollar index is up, and E-minis are down. All right, so overnight, E-minis are down. No, the equity markets are closed tomorrow. I'm not sure about I think Forex will continue to stay open, okay? But just keep that in mind. So expect low volatility, right? We should not have a lot of traders, big investors out there, all right? Big market makers out there trading. They should be out for the holidays, so expect light volume, okay? Forex, we are starting to see some volatility coming back on the 60-minute time frame here. Daily time frame has been fine. We've had time frame volatility on the daily time frame. All right. Somewhat mixed, right? About what's that? 60% volatility on the 240 and 60-minute. That's good to see volatility is coming back in. But if you guys notice here, right, we have all of this white in here, that's neutral. all right, especially on the 60-minute time frame. So what that tells us is not really consolidation, that things are flat. Okay, so not a lot of direction, not a lot of volume, not a lot of volatility. Things are just flat. Okay, but it's good to see buyers coming in here on the 60-minute time frame in the yen pairs. We are solid, all right, on the daily time frame on the yen pairs. All right, but we need buyers to come in. But this is good. This is encouraging to see. All right, these yen pairs buyers coming in. So yen pairs, dollar pairs, right? We would like to see buyers come in here, close the gap in here, and again solid here on the daily time frame. All right, so really, Forex dominator, guys, on the daily time frame. That's really the only system that's been doing really well in Forex. But Monster Scalper is doing well on the 240. Okay, somewhat well. All right, Bitcoin retraced, guys. If we take a look here, okay, keep an eye on Bitcoin. Okay, even. All right, if you guys are trading the smaller time frames, just be careful. We did get a sell signal. All right, so the daily time frame right here on Bitcoin closed. So we do have a sell signal right now on Bitcoin. Okay, so let's take a quick look here. Now remember, Bitcoin, we can use Bitcoin as a barometer for the other cryptocurrencies. So expect the other cryptocurrencies to follow Bitcoin's lead. Buy signal was here, got a red candle, right? Finally broke resistance. Entry was right about in here, closed today, guys. So Bitcoin gave a sell signal right here on a break of support. Okay, on a break of support. So follow your system right here, broke support right here. And so bought here, sold here, we should be out of Bitcoin. Okay, let's take a look at the 60-minute time frame just to see what's going on here on the 60-minute time frame. A lot of selling clearly in the markdown phase. Look at that, guys. On the 60-minute time frame, big support here. So if you're trading it, all right, if you're not long-term, right, just be careful. All right, I know we have big, not our traders, but traders, buy and hold Bitcoin. Okay, so just know we have a sell signal support here. If we break support right here, guys, next support area is right here. All right, so just be aware of that. All right, next support area is right about here, which is previous resistance, right? This is where price really took off. All right, so if it breaks support here, all right, support right here, next support area right here. And it did gap up here, so it might come down and fill in that gap. Okay, so just be careful there on Bitcoin. Okay, current positions, all right, current positions. On Monster Scalper, on the 60-minute time frame, guys, we only have one trade currently. That's pound yen. Let's take a look. Now, as you guys know, the 60-minute has been struggling. So just be aware of that, okay? So pound yen, buy signal here. It is still holding. All right, so it's still holding for now, right here. Buy signal here. No, I'm sorry. It closed. This is a new trade that came out. We didn't send out an alert. So the previous buy signal was right here. All right, so pound yen buy signal on the 60-minute time frame. Buy signal here, red candles, sellers came in, so we should be out. We did not call this alert, okay? We'll wait. What's today? Tuesday. We'll probably wait unless things move overnight tomorrow. You never know. We'll probably send out alerts on Thursday, okay? All right, so notice that we haven't sent out a lot of alerts, guys, in Monster Scalper, in Forex in general. Things have just been slow in that market, okay? So, all right, but things should pick up. Things should pick up nicely next week, okay? Just remember, traders are on vacation, right? They're off for the taking the holidays off. So from Thanksgiving to the end of the year, right, things slowed down a bit. Okay, that we had our Christmas rally, and now it's over. Sellers are coming in here. Okay, on the 240, we have no shorts right now on any of the time frames. Okay, so 60, 240 daily, no shorts. Okay, all right. We do have some longs. HKD JPY, the long trade closed, guys, for lots of pips here. Okay, so buy signal came in here. All right, right at what's that? 1942, closed here. Lots of pips here. All right, closed here, broke support right here, red candle. Right, we should be out of the trade. Okay, new buy signal came in here. All right, so HKD JPY on the 240, new buy signal came in here. We're going to call this buy signal here. Okay, so HKD JPY long on the 240-minute time frame. And we'll send this out to our traders, monster scalper traders. All right, so we are, this is reaccumulation trade. Okay, so first trade did well. Markdown phase, buy signal here. Right, perfect trade, made it all the way to its target. All right, this trade here failed. Now we've got a new buy signal, break and resistance here. That is encouraging. Now we know, all right, pound yen, big picture pound yen on the weekly, we are breaking out. Okay, all right, looking to test the highs right here. So we'll call that. Just be aware, guys, low volume, be aware, wouldn't go heavy. All right, wouldn't go heavy here. All right. Move your lines, your trend lines. So you could do something like this right here. All right, buy signal here, gapped up, looking to break through here. So HKD JPY, all right, another trade there. Okay. All right, SGD JPY, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, got out here. Yeah, we did call this, gapped up here, wait for a buy signal here on SGD JPY. We'll remove it for now. Euro yen closed the buy signal here. Buyers are coming back in. No buy signal here. Just wait. Okay. So euro yen, remove that trade, please. Pound yen, guys, really good trade in pound yen for lots of pips there. Buy came in at 192. Sell signal came in here, red candle. Sell signal 197. That's what, 500%, 500 pips right there. It did pull back a bit, but good trade. So bought here, sold here. Wait for the next buy signal. Okay, if we get it. So if it breaks through that resistance right here, reaccumulation. If it breaks through here, we'll get another buy signal there. Okay, but for right now, sell signal, let's remove it. Swiss yen, buy signal here. Red candles came in, right? Close the trade. Green candles, we need a buy signal. So Swiss yen, close the trade. We need new buyers. So the only one, guys, for right now, we'll take a look at the other pairs in a minute. But SKD JPY buy signal here on the 240 in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right, we do have some long positions in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. And these are the dollar pairs. Let's make sure they're holding firm. I believe they are. We'll go through this quickly here. We want to see all green candles here. Okay, so first one, dollar Swiss. All right, buy signal here. Beautiful trade, guys. Look at that. Good markdown phase. Buy signal on the break of this resistance. All green candles holding firm. We need to break through resistance here. Just know this is where sellers are sitting right here. Green candles we need to break through. Dollar Swiss. USD and okay, buy signal here. moving up nicely. USD NOK right here on the daily time frame. USD CNH buy signal here, holding firm, made a big push higher, guys. Look at that, nice big candle, but retraced and is holding here, right? Buy signal here, all green candles, yellow support and resistance, looks really good. All right, USD CNH, USD DKK. All right, another great trade here on the daily time frame in Forex. Dominator, buy signal here, all green candles, getting past sellers here, past resistance. Did a really good job breaking through here in a nice big way, holding here, keeps moving higher. Great trade here. USD DKK, all right? Remember the dollar pairs here, the dollar index is moving higher here, right? So our dollar pairs here following on the daily time frame. Just wish that the 240 and the 60, right, performed as well. All right, USD SGD. Next one. Good markdown phase here, guys. Really good markdown phase. Buy signal here. All green candles moving up nicely. Right, we have resistance right here. It's just holding near this resistance. Look here, resistance, resistance, where sellers are. You guys can see sellers came in here in a big way. Here we are, purpose support and resistance. Be aware of that, all right? But the goal is all green candles, we need to break through new resistance levels here. USD SGD, no, this is on the daily time frame. So guys, you have to give them time, all right? You have to give them time. All right, we're not day trading here. All right, USD CAD, dollar CAD. All right, buy signal here on a break of this resistance here. All right, nice break here. All right, good resistance, broke through all green candles. Look at that, beautiful trade. Dollar CAD, all right? So that's your Canadian dollar here. Buy signal here, all green candles, yellow support and resistance. That's good. Nicely in the markup phase. These are areas right here where we could add, scale up to the position, especially on the daily time frame, right? Good time frame to scale up, that and the 240. All right, the last one, USD SEK. All right, buy signal here, right? Struggling a bit. Always look towards your left, right? Always look towards your left here, right? See where price struggled before, right? Buyers struggle to hold the price right at this resistance, right? 11.0777. All right. Right here, sellers came in right here. Right here, sellers came in heavy here, right? We can actually count this, and then here we are right now. So we do need to break through that resistance. The good news is that the other pairs are breaking. So hopefully dollar USD SEK will hold and break through. Not a bad area to take profits, though. If you scaled up, if you add into the position, not a bad area to take profits there. Okay. All right. So that's it for Forex. And I know things are light right now, but guess what, guys? What we've seen this so many times. When the markets consolidate, things are light. Right after traders come on back in, we start moving again. All right, so this is the time where you get your systems ready. All right, your mind set right. All right, and your capital ready. Get your systems ready for the next opportunity. Okay. All right. All right, so Stock Boss, we're going to go through these stocks. In Stock Boss, we are light. You guys know, right? We've trimmed positions, taken profits, taken your small losses. So we only have a few now in Stock Boss, small cap. So let's go through this, okay? We had some selling today, so we want to make sure that these trades hold for Thursday. All right, white candles, we're going to close the trade, okay? Because we have sell signals in the equity markets, okay? So the Dow, S&P, Russell have sell signals. NASDAQ is struggling to hold, all right? But in particularly the Russell, the IWM, which is what Stock Boss follows, small cap stocks, all right? We want to go through these stocks to make sure they're holding, again for Thursday. Okay, so SUPR buy signal here came in at 875, trading at 15 and change, holding firm, nothing to do there. All right, AUPH white candle came in today, guys. We're going to close the trade. So on Thursday when the market opened, right, we should be out of this trade. AUPH, close the trade, please. White candle here. So we're going to close on a white candle. Now, if the market was bullish, if we had buy signals, we would still hold on a white candle. All right, holding firm here. All green candles. Holding firm here. EXFY, white candle here, guys. Buy signal came in right here. Your blue little triangle right here on this candle. Blue arrow right here. I know it's hard to see on the break of this resistance. So when the price broke resistance here, we got a buy signal here. But guess what? White candle breaking support. Close the trade, please. EXFY in Stock Boss. All right, MVST, good trade going here. All right, all green candles, nothing to do there. PRCH, holding firm, all green candles, nothing to do there. And RGTI, still holding, guys. Best trade in Stock Boss right here. Best trade in all of the equity systems. Buy signal came in right at $1. Trading at $15, still holding, guys. This is if you got in at $1, $15. I think it made it all the way up to about what's that, $18, $19. Not a bad trade, especially if you scaled up, take some profits. Okay, all right, good trade going there, but it's still holding. All right, so good trade there. Oh, let's leave this. All right, so large cap stocks, let's take a look. So Bullmaster, so S&P, right, stocks that are following the S&P and the NASDAQ. Let's go through these. Okay, so Bullmaster. And those trades have, although we've trimmed quite a bit, we do have a few that are holding firm. BYRN holding firm. All right. DEC is holding. Again, we're looking for white candles. If they got a white candle, all right. Daily time frame, we're looking at the current price here, right in here. All right. White candle, red candle, close, sell signal. Holding. LC, guys, white candle came in. All right. So white candles come in. Can't take a chance on these. And you see here, new down. So it is coming down. Buy signal is all the way here at 12.40, right at 12.58. All right. Trading at $16. So take profits, guys. Doesn't hurt to take profits. Okay. Close the trade, please. Slim SLM holding. EAT holding. GameStop is holding there. LRN white candle. Let's close that. Buy signal came in at $87, 87 and change. Right. White candle came in today at 103. Close the trade. Okay. So when Thursday comes, you guys are in this trade, clean things up. TDS buy signal came in right at 24. Trading here at 34. Nothing to do there. Now it does have a new down, so just be aware of that. Okay, new down, but it's holding firm. A bit of a consolidation right in here, trading between near-term resistance. Hold on, which is right here, support. So it's just holding for now. Keep an eye on it though. No major concern there. CLS holding firm. FIV. Right, white candle here, we'll close that. Buy signal came in at 241. White candle, 251. Close the trade, please. So close on white candles, guys. All right, IKD, that's holding. Marvel, MRVL, that's holding. PGA holding, purple support and resistance. So we've got lower Lower highs, lower lows in here. Keep an eye on that. All right. And we overbought. That's why we're getting purple in here. Okay. Yellow in here, purple here, getting overbought. Just keep an eye on it. All right. All green candles. No major concern. Just be aware of that. Same thing for RBRK. Purple support and resistance. So we know it's overbought. All right. Buy signal was all the way down here at 36, trading at 65. All right, got this right at the beginning of the run in the markup phase. Okay, I mean for seasonality in October. Okay, so keep an eye on it. All right, and TTMI coming down. White candles here. Buy signal came in at $21, trading at 24 and change. Close the trade, please. Okay, so trim things. All right. If sellers come in heavy, which they've been, I think the Dow was down a little over 200 points. All right, came up, finished at 29, down 29 for the day. So I'm really recovered, but we still have, I wouldn't call it a bear market. We do have a sell signal in equities. Okay, Bullmaster Pro, guys, Tesla. On the daily time frame, Tesla is a concern right now. We are breaking support. We do have a green candle here. Surprise, this candle didn't turn white. Okay. All right. So we made a high on Tesla right at almost 500, 480, 482. All right. It's like I said, it's struggling to hold support right here. This really should be a white candle. We'll hold it for now, though. Okay. If you guys are trading it on especially on the daily time frame, you might want to just take some profits, guys. Okay. It's making lower highs, lower lows, and the Magnificent Seven stocks, some of them are starting to struggle. All right. Next support area. So Tesla has a couple of support areas here. Next support area, if it breaks through, sellers come in. That buy signal close. Next support level is right here, right around 358. Okay, and Tesla will move fast. If it doesn't hold here, next support level is all the way down here where we got the previous buy signal. Okay, which is let's see here. So be careful with Tesla, and it's gone up quite a bit. So it's due for a really good pullback. Okay, the last buy signal was right around here at 270. Okay, so here we are, closed at 400, guys. We could see sellers come in and really push it back down. I'm not saying that will happen. Okay, but it's run up quite a bit. We do have yellow support and resistance, but this is a concern here where it's breaking support right here. We would need that price action to hold at least up in this area here. Okay, so just be aware of that. So we'll hold it for now, though. SLM, we talked about this one that's holding. This is Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Amazon is holding. It's holding right above resistance for right now. All right, buy signal was here, got out on this red candle, got back in here. Okay, so it's holding for now, and it is holding support. Okay, but guys, every single equity positions we have to pay close attention. Okay, all right, we don't have buy signals anymore. We have sell signals. I said we would get through this quickly here. LRN, guys, buy signal here, the last one here at $88. White candle here, trading at 103. All right, just take your profits, get out. White candle, purple support and resistance. So we are definitely, right, overbought here. Look how high we are, guys, in the markup phase. I mean, look at that. All right, doesn't mean we can't move higher. Okay, but whenever we start getting purple support and resistance, right, expect some selling to come in. Like here, right, here. Okay, so just take profits. Okay. All right. So we only have what, 3 left in Bullmaster Pro. That is fine, guys. We had a lot more in these systems. That's what we want to do. Okay, if sellers come in heavy, then guess what? You've taken profits already. You've minimized your losses, right, with the other position. So you want to be light right now. Okay. All right. Let's go here. And then we'll be done. Monster Scalper. Quick look at Monster Scalper. And then we'll be done. Okay. I want to take a look at the 240 in the dollar pairs. Okay. So HKD JPY long 240. And again, we'll send this out here. Let's see here. Another long CAD yen. No buy signal. So that's it. That's it for the yen pairs. Keep an eye though on the yen pairs overnight into tomorrow. Okay. Again, I'm not sure what Forex is going to do tomorrow. It's open right now, so I'm going to assume it'll stay open. Okay. Tomorrow, but these yen pairs are setting up on the 240. Okay, they're setting up to break through and move higher, continuing the markup phase. Okay, so be aware of that. We'll send out those alerts that they are setting up nicely there. The dollar pairs, we know the dollar index is moving higher, so let's take a look at the dollar pairs. We don't have any dollar pairs long on the 240. Okay, we've missed a couple. So dollar ZAR, that's gone too far. Buy signal here, good trade going here. Okay, let's see here. Nothing here. USD SGD trading fairly well in the markup phase, right? A buy signal here, wait. Okay, so we need to, we've got wide candles here. Again, we do have a buy signal. We are nicely in the markup phase on the 240. Nothing, don't do any trading right now. Just hold off on the 60-minute, okay? All right, so as USD SGD buy signal here, we just need price to shape up. All right, break through that resistance, and we'll get should get some movement there. Okay, nothing here. Nothing here. Oh, nothing here. USD MXN on the 240, guys. This was really doing well. You know, I was talking to one of our doing coaching with one of our traders, and we were looking for trades, and this was one that we said no to because, and this is a good lesson here, all right, it had a buy signal here. It was moving up nicely, but when we looked right to the left, we noticed sellers came in here, all right, so this was not one of the trades. All right, I think it was Antonio. All right, so we looked at it here. I think the candle was buy signal was here, was right here, but then when we look here, we noticed resistance was here, and this is where sellers came in before and knocked that price back down here. Here also, here, and look what happened, guys. All right, so good lesson here. Right at these numbers, these sellers came in and knocked that price all the way back down. Okay, so always look to your left. Follow, you know, where these your support and resistance lines are. Okay, so USD MXN, nothing there. Nothing here. Nothing here. Same with USD CZK. Buy signal here, wait for it to break through that resistance. If you got in here on that buy signal, right, you can hold. Still, you know, if you get a red candle, sell signal, obviously close the trade. But hopefully you get a bounce back. I have no idea why these pairs are not following the dollar index. All right, the dollar index is, I'm just making a beautiful run, but the pairs are not following. Okay, so I have no idea why. USD CZK buy signal here, so we need buyers to come on back, break through that resistance there. Okay, dollar Swiss. All right, nice recovery here. Buy signal here, white candle here. We got a green candle. Also, with this one, we need to get past that resistance. Okay, so buy signal was here. Okay, just hold in here. We will not call this. On the daily, looks good though. So the daily, I tell you, daily in Forex Dominator, look at this on the daily time frame. I mean, look at that beautiful trade. But 60-minute, 240, struggling. All right, dollar CAD, nothing here. Wait for buy signals. Okay, and Euro pairs, nothing here. Let's see. Euro, ZAR, right? So the ZAR pairs are making a move. All right, so ZAR pairs, so Euro ZAR, and then dollar ZAR. So they're doing their own thing. So dollar ZAR, Euro ZAR. And I'm sure pound ZAR, let's bring in pound ZAR, same thing. So the ZAR pairs. So if you guys caught the ZAR, good job. Otherwise, not much, not much. Okay. Like I said, traders are taking a break. All right, for the holidays. So Thursday, we'll see what happens Thursday, Friday, and then on next week. Okay, so no surprise, right? I just wanted to get on, show you guys what's going on. No surprise, continue to trade lightly, guys, okay? Get your systems ready, okay? I know things have been slow, choppy, but now is the time to get your systems ready because, you know, Forex will start moving quickly again, okay? Now, equities, expect some further selling unless things change drastically, but expect some profit taking, okay, through into January. So just be aware of that. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. I wish everyone a very happy, safe, and prosperous New Year, 2025. And I'll see you guys on Thursday. We are having a Q&A on Zoom tomorrow, okay, at 7 p.m. All right, take care, guys. Thanks for coming. Happy New Year.